Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do this braid, which is actually a faux braid. It's called a pull-through braid, and it's a great style if you struggle to do real braids. It's very simple, although it might look a little bit complicated. You start by tying some of your hair off into a small ponytail on top of your head, and then as you can see, I pulled that ponytail forward out of the way and pinned it so that I can create a second small ponytail underneath the first one. And I like to leave a bit of hair below this ponytail again for the next step. So basically you just create one small ponytail on top of your head, a second small ponytail underneath the first one. Then you take the first ponytail on top, you split it in half, and you take the bottom ponytail and pull it up and through the top. And again, it helps if you can pin it. And then you gather the rest of your hair together and you tie it off with another hair elastic into another ponytail. And this is the basic step that we're gonna repeat again and again. This faux braid is basically just a series of ponytails. So again, now you take the top one, split it in half, pull the bottom one up and through, tie off the two halves into one ponytail, take the top one again, split it in half, take the bottom one, pull it up and through. So it looks kind of complicated when you're looking at it, but as you can see, it's actually just basically two simple steps of tying off your hair in ponytails, splitting it and pulling it up. That's it. And that's why it's called a pull-through braid. It's a really great style to learn if you struggle to do actual braids and to keep your braids tight, because you just do a series of ponytails and hair elastics, so it's a lot easier than a lot of traditional braids. And you'll see when we get to the last step, it also creates a lot thicker braid. So here you can start to see that I am pancaking my hair or pulling the hair out for a fuller look. And because of all the hair elastics, you can get a lot of fullness at each level of the braid. So mine's a little bit lopsided because I didn't do it looking into a mirror to shoot this video. But if you look in a mirror, you can make it quite even all the way through. And you just keep pulling and pancaking it until you get to the fullness that you desire. And because of all the hair elastics, you can get a really full look even if your hair is quite thin. So it's a great hairstyle if you have thinner hair. It also works on shorter hair as well. I've done this with shoulder length hair and probably a little bit above shoulder length hair. So you can really create a lot of styles with this. So there you go. That's basically the finished look. It kind of looks like a braid, but a lot thicker than your traditional braid and a lot easier. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial.